Sana to the Morning Fix. My name is Mariam Bishar.
Most bankable host Brian Aseli. In studio we have Oxide, and of course tumekuwa tukicheza ngoma zake. Make sure you get to support him, support Kenyan music. And we're not just saying it, maze. If you have a musician, your favorite musician that you'd like us to play, tuma ngoma zao mazejo. We're going to make sure that we get to play them. Kama quality ni fiti, because we're not going to compromise on quality. Pia nyinyi mnatuenjoyingi saa zingine Oxide. And that's speaking of sliding into a presenter's DM naambia mchezi Kenyan music. No, ni wewe atuchezi. Improve on the quality. Sawa?
Unasikiza hiyo tape uko like,
uko like and okay.
I want to support, but
yeah.
But we're just about to get into the conversation about your new EP, Oxide. Bossfield Man. Tell me about it, putting it together, and the inspiration behind this new work.
Bossfield Man, the title in explain, I think everything. But let me get into it and explain. So inspiration ilitoka kwa before ni set up the label, before ni get a producer, before ni get a manager, mi ndo nilikuwa nafanya hizo vitu zote. So I was the boss and still the guy who goes to the field. Mi ndio nitashughulikia and then the hardware workshop kushughulikia t-shirts nini. Mi bado ndo nitadeliver hizo t-shirts. Unaona? The inspiration ilitoka hapo. Putting it together ilikuwa easy sana. Nilirecord all the tracks in one day. Of course sikuziandika in one day, but nilirecord everything in one day. Niliget tracks from Sketch, one of my best guys to work with, anaitwa Mise. Yeye alirecord I think even he's one, not sitasema one of the best, is the best producer. Naweza isema confidently is the best producer in Kenya. Yeye alirecord, akamix, akamaster and everything. Yeah, mi najua ni exciting moments you're living right now. Stories impact the social media and stuff like that. We una utilize social media yako to make sure that tuna do mambo yetu visafi. Una get? There's the distribution of music na pia the collection of stuff. Siku hizi watu wana distribute TikTok kwanza alafu inakama hivi mainstream. We una distribute aje muziki yako? And how can we do it better? Juzi wasanii wametumiwa do kiasi sana. Unaambiwa tumecollect do yenu unatumiwa 200 bob yako polite. Sijui hata wezi fanya nini album cover, but unafilaje juu story yote? Distribution, I'm still trying to figure out mambo ya online vifiti. That's not my niche. I'm just an artist, unaona. I need a team to figure out mambo ya online fiti. We were talking with Mariam mambo ya TikTok hapa before. Pia yo world najaribu kuifigure out. Sielewi fiti. Umeuliza nini ingine after that?
Nimeuliza how best can we distribute our music to make sure that imefikia wasi. Na pia collections za revenue is wasanii.
Okay, your distribution mi naweza sema I'm still trying to figure it out. So far niko sawa. But siko sawa. Nikifigure out ndakuwa fit. Regarding nini collection ya revenues yodo mi hata sijui sijui yodo wauitumaaje like wanatumiaga what
haujai receive kakitu.
Nishai receive but naweza taka kujua wanatumiaga formula gani kugauge. Utamtumia so 2 au 5, unaona. Juu yodo ukitumiwa akutoleagi log sheets za kuonyesha hapa ulichezwa place fulani hivi. So I think ni kitu tunafaa kureview tujue formula, tujue wanatumia standards gani kulipa wase.
True. Some accountability. Let us know how to connect with you, how to listen to, Bossfield Man, and where to find you on stage, ama socials, na pia mitandao.
So Bossfield Man iko kila mahali, Boomplay, Spotify, iTunes, YouTube, kila mahali. Ingia tu hapo search Oxide, that's OKSYDE. Afuna search Bossfield Man utaipata. Connect na mimi all social media platforms at Oxide Music, that's OKSYDEMUSIK, music with the K hapo mwisho. Mali wananipata for performances, entertainment and such. Friday I'll be performing at the block party.
Oh, nice.
Uncut. Big up Ruby, by the way. She's doing the most for the culture. Friday I'll be performing at Block Party. itakuwa skate, inaitwa skate Nairobi, something like that.
Skate City.
Skate City Nairobi, Parklands. Saturday ndakuwa National Museum. There's a celebration for hip hop at 50, inaitwa hip hop festival, Nairobi hip hop festival. Ina go down museum, ndakuwa huko pia holding it down on stage. So waso come through and support the culture.
Booked and busy. I love it so much. Thank you so much for coming through and spending time with us.
Shukran
Oxide.
for having me
Shani
too.
Kupe Makofi. Have an amazing week ahead na kill your performances on Friday na Saturday.
Yeah.
Na ukidrop ipi ingine rudi tu hapa. We'll be ready to host you.
Lazima. Thanks for having me, man.
Bless.
We're getting back into the music now with some Nyanda Trouble. When we come back in the next hour, a chance to win 2,000 bob, Bado Iko, and of course more great conversation.